Cell communication is just like text messaging by Nadine Soto. Signals in a pathway for a cell are direct contact, sympathetic signaling, paracrine signaling, and endocrine signaling. Direct allows proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids to transmit information. Synaptic signaling occurs between junctions of nerve cells. Paracrine signaling is a mechanism for local communications, and endocrine signaling is a mechanism for disturbing signals throughout a multicellular organism, which is pretty much like text messaging. An example of a cell tower that helps the signals is the signaling transduction pathway, which is signaling molecules, which are hydrophilic lipids, membrane receptors, and hydrophobic lipids, intracellular receptors, and the signaling cascade, which is the enzyme reactions. The gated ion receptor is a transmembrane protein that contains a gated channel. A ligand-gated ion receptor, or molecular signal, and a voltage-gated ion receptor, which is the voltage difference, and that could be related to a cell signal for your phone. G protein coupled receptors is a transmembrane protein that activates a G protein, and the glycogen breakdown, which is an example of CAMP. Disease and cancer for cell communication. The communication between cells have to better within the body to work hard to help the body get better, whether it's a cough or whether you do have cancer. It sends signals to remind the body that it needs to keep fighting. And cancer usually happens with uncontrolled cell division, which could be an example of a spell check in a text message. And that's the end of text messaging for a cell communication.